Hey there, everybody. It's Chris with Clean Streak Pressure Washing. I am back on another project here for you guys in Dunedin, Florida. This is a break from the norm for me. I usually do not do a lot of commercial cleanings. However, we are on site of a local law office here in town. We do this building at least once a year. She's been a longtime client of mine. Do not only the law office, but their home as well. Every year, we get a lot of buildup and things get blown out from the gutters. All of the insect and pollen debris that's all over the siding. Of course, that takes away from the curb appeal here. And if she's going to have clients visiting her office, we don't want to see things like the green and the tannins on the sidewalks. Want to keep these windows cleaned up. As you can see, everything collects inside where the storm shutters attach. And of course the screens are bad. So we will come through. We'll clean all of these areas. We'll lift the screens and let everything drain out from below. And of course here's the main entrance as well. We want to get that looking nice. Looks like we have a mullion inside the double pane windows that has fallen. One thing we always do for our commercial clients, we do clean the sign as part of the building wash that we do. It's just those little touches that make a difference. But we'll come back through here and we'll do this back wall as well. It never gets quite as bad as the front. But if we're here, we're doing everything as one standard cleaning. Now I'm going to put the camera up higher so that you can see we have some peeling paint along the fascia up top there where the AC units are. I don't know how much of that will show through the camera, but I do like to document it. We are now finished with this project and we are heading off to the next stop. If you have a home or office in Dunedin, Northern Pinellas County, I'd love the opportunity to earn your business. Give me a call, 727-200-2352.